So you've heard people say cash is king, but is it really though? With inflation on the rise, the value of the dollar going down, is cash really the almighty king that people claim that it is? Well, let's unpack that on today's episode of The Joe Credit Show. So cash is not just loose coins or bills. It's also going to be electronic payments, checks, debit cards, those kind of things, because it's coming directly out of the checking account. And generally, when you purchase this way, you don't accrue interest. That's one of the benefits of it. And as long as you don't overdraft, you don't have any fees or any interest you have to pay on that purchase. You don't pay more than you really need to. And sometimes even at a gas station, for example, the merchant will incentivize customers to pay cash as opposed to using a credit card because they save money on processing fees. But what are some of the downfalls of being strictly cash? Let's take a look at that. So if you're using coins or bills, you're going to have to make frequent trips to the bank. And then you run the risk of your wallet or your purse being stolen. What a headache, what a nightmare if that happens. And if you're trying to get a home loan, it's going to be very difficult to get approved unless you have 20 to 40% to put down. So that's cash, but why is credit any better? Let's take a look. So some of the benefits of using credit is you get to build something with it. You build a profile that's going to give you a score. And with that, you can purchase assets. And what are those? Houses, businesses, things that actually pay you, guess what? Cash. That's right. And even these credit card companies will even reward you to use them. I'm talking about points. So many credit card companies offer you rewards like 3 to 6% back on your purchases. And you can use that to redeem gift cards, you can travel more, really whatever you want. And on top of that, to avoid interest, you can literally have a grace period before the payment is due. So why is credit bad? Well, let's ask the expert. Let's ask Dave Ramsey. Psych, I can't get him on my show. If you don't budget, you can get yourself in a real pickle really fast. Because credit card interest rates can get as high as 30%. So don't use them like for emergency funds or a safety net. That's not really what they're meant to be. So don't buy crap you don't really need. So in the end, is cash really king? So cash and credit have their pros and cons. I believe they go hand in hand. When you're debt heavy, switch to cash. When you're sitting on a pile of cash, build credit. In the end, cash is king, but credit is power. All right, guys, that's my time today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Joe Chavarria. This has been another episode of The Joe Credit Show. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.